Welcome to InCabin from the creators of AutoSense. InCabin connects the global community of automotive interior specialists working on in-cabin safety, comfort, and productivity solutions through industry-leading events and knowledge sharing. Today, we are speaking with Matthias Neumann, Senior Manager of Marketing at Socionext. And Matthias, welcome to InCabin. Good to see you, friend.
Yeah, hi Carl, nice meeting you, and thanks for having me today.
Of course, and upcoming at InCabin, what exciting innovations does Socionext have planned? What will you be showcasing at InCabin?
Yeah, at InCabin we will be showcasing our cutting-edge 60 gigahertz radar sensor. We will have a very nice cockpit demonstrator showing some of the groundbreaking capabilities of the chip.
Yes, let's pick it up from there, Matthias. This radar sensor, what makes it so groundbreaking, maybe compared to existing solutions?
Oh yeah, the ST1260 is a pretty cool chip. It's not just a radar sensor, it's far more than that. First off, it has antennas integrated in the package. So we have two transmitter and four receiver antennas embedded in an ultra compact package of just 6 by 9 millimeter size. So you don't need to struggle with complex RF design, and you can create tiny system solutions, which you can basically place anywhere in the vehicle. Then we have advanced signal processing integrated that can directly output point cloud data. So if you can make use of the signal processing, you can even reduce or further reduce the BOM cost with a very small CPU and a small memory footprint. Finally, the average power consumption is just 0.7 milliwatt, which is pretty low for a radar sensor.
Matthias, let's talk more about signal processing. Can you delve more into the details of signal processing and then ultimately, what are its advantages?
Yeah. Okay, the ST1260 has many integrated blocks for advanced signal processing. First, there is a range FFT, which is basically essential for any further signal processing. We have a CFAR engine for filtering. And then there is a block integrated to measure the distance and the angle. We can do the clustering of the data. So the output of the chip is point cloud data in X, Y, Z coordinates. All this is built into the hardware, so there is no need for a CPU or any firmware.
We're speaking with Matthias Neumann, Senior Manager of Marketing at Socionext. Matthias, this innovative radar sensor solution that we've been discussing, what are some of the key use cases that you see?
Yeah, our SC1260 was specifically designed for a range of automotive interior sensing application. We are especially focused on child presence detection, where a radar sensor has distinct advantages compared to other technologies because it can penetrate material. For example, for child presence detection, if you put the baby in a child restraint seat and you cover the seat with a blanket, a radar sensor can detect the vital signs of the baby, like breathing or heartbeat, even when it's covered by a blanket. The next use case is seat occupancy detection. So for radar sensors, one crucial aspect to consider is the angular resolution. Socionext has optimized the antenna design so that we can detect even three persons sitting in a row. And finally, there is security monitoring. So you can use the radar sensor for intrusion alarm or, for example, for proximity detection.
All fantastic and all excellent use cases, from the child presence detection to having the security, especially if you're the owner of that vehicle. Matthias, are there any other potential applications that we could discuss?
Yeah, absolutely. So another use case is kick sensor, for example, to open and close the tailgate. This application can be realized with a very small MCU, and you have the possibility to distinguish even various kick gestures like the kick or a swipe detection, for example. Then this Socionext radar sensor can be also applied for gesture control for HMI applications, allowing the driver to control certain functions within the vehicle with just simple hand movements.
We've been speaking today with Matthias Neumann, Senior Manager of Marketing at Socionext. Matthias, thank you for being with us today, for sharing your expertise, your thought leadership, and some of those interesting use cases as well. Want to encourage all of our in-cabin viewers and attendees to connect with Socionext. I was just on their YouTube channel a little bit ago. Excellent place to go for more resources and for more information about what Matthias and I have been discussing. Matthias, thank you for being with us. Of course, best of luck to you going forward, but we'll look forward to
Yeah.
seeing you in person at InCabin. Thank you for being with us.
Yeah, thank you very much, Carl. Thanks for the interview.
For more information on Socionext and to find out more about our upcoming events, see the links in the description. And for more in-depth interviews like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow InCabin on LinkedIn. In Detroit, on behalf of InCabin, I'm Carl Anthony.